Hey everyone, Vic CCG here. Today I'm unboxing the Jackson Pollock Bearbrick Worldwide Toll-Free, the Chrome version. So it's 100% and a 400%. So let's see. Maybe try from the bottom. So this one here, I believe we got at Juice Store. Currently it is on special, I believe. So there's a discount on it right now. I think usually around 7,000 NTD, and right now it's around the 5,000 NTD mark, which is quite a good deal actually. On top here, I already scrunched it up a bit, but this is quite useful just to show everyone who does need it, again, how to certify genuine product. So, pamphlet here, just in case anyone needs to see it. Genuine label, counterfeit label. Okay, let's unbox this. The 100%. Do a quick spin. It's in a shiny metallic crossover. You see the Jackson Pollock Studio labeling on the back. Also on this one here. Let's see one with a pattern that isn't as shiny, so maybe this one. You can see this more of a matte, and that one is more of a shiny metallic. Alright. Thanks everyone again for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.